In the spring of 2014, the Nissan Motor Company announced that it would enter the LMP1 hybrid class of the 24 Hours of Le Mans the following year with a race car wearing a GT-R badge. It would mark the return of the Nissan prototype race car after a 16-year hiatus since the R391 in 1999. As if that wasn't newsworthy enough, Nissan revealed at the car's introduction in February 2015 that its new race machine, called the GT-R LM NISMO, possessed a front-engine front-wheel drive layout, a concept previously unheard of in prototype race cars. The mastermind behind the GT-R LM NISMO is none other than Ben Bowlby, the man who created the Delta Wing and hiatus race cars. By mounting the engine in the front, Bowlby claims that it opened up new design possibilities to maximize aerodynamics, thus making the car more efficient at higher speeds. The body consists of a monocoque chassis and outer panels made of carbon fiber, allowing the car to tip the scales at a light 880 kilograms, 1940 lbs. Under the long front nose is a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter direct injection V6 mated to an energy recovery system. The drivers of the car include homegrown talents Michael Crum and Sugio Matsuda, GT Academy graduates Lucas Ordonez and Jann Mardenborough, former F1 drivers Mark Jene and Max Chilton, and sports car drivers Alex Buncombe, Harry Tincknell and Olivier Pla. Nissan will run 2 cars starting from the first round of the FIA World Endurance Championships, and enter 3 cars in the 24 Hours of Le Mans, with the sole purpose of grabbing the overall title.